Hey you all, it's Emily, owner and artist at Withered Hearts Designs, also a brand ambassador for Armacost Lighting. I'm really excited to show you guys one of the two new kits that they just released. So today I'm going to be showing you the Smart/Wi-Fi kit. And this is one that can actually be controlled through an app, which I'm really excited. This is the kit. It is 16 feet long, just like all of their other kits. It is dimmable, cut to size, peel and stick, and plug in. It comes with the remote, which I will show you closer up, but this is multicolor plus white. So I love anything that has the white feature because I feel like it just adds so much more possibilities, I guess, to your space. Maybe you don't want pinks and blues and purples, but maybe you want to be able to switch it to white. This is the perfect kit for you. So you want to go to the Apple Play Store or Google Play Store and download the Tuya app. You can add manually or auto scan. I'm going to auto scan for mine using my Wi-Fi signal. So here I am entering my password. And then we are going to go ahead and connect to Wi-Fi. There's my lighting kit. I can rename it, which I'm going to rename Office. Once you're done with that, you click done. It'll take you back to the home screen and update it. You can see it's called Office. You can click the power button at the bottom to turn the lights on and off, as well as you can adjust the coloring with the color wheel. You can adjust the brightness, set a timer, a schedule, and then you can choose your scene. You can link different scenes up. You can link it to music. And then there's just a setting for the white as well. So now that we went through all the app features I want to show you, I did use the mounting channel and I mounted it underneath the top shelf on my desk here. Now this is the remote, if it wants to focus. And same basic features on, off. You can go from like all the different colors in here. You can go to just white if you want to by pushing select mode. There is white and color, there's white, and there's color. And then you can brighten and lower the white. You can brighten and lower the color as well. You guys asked for a kit that had the timer and the schedule capability feature, and Armacost Lighting delivered with the app that this lighting kit connects to. You have all of those options, as well as having colors and white lights in an LED strip light, which is so cool. This is definitely going to make the perfect addition in my office, and I'm excited for you guys to try it as well.